morning, getting ready to go to work. And his main thing is to finish his work as fast as he can, so he can go like for a lunch break with his friends and have a beer and have a little bit of an HP sauce on the hamburger. And then after his long day of work, he wants to go out with his friends again and talk about what he did through the day and talk about different things that he did in the office.
Okay.
And just to have a nice time, a beer, and another hamburger. And just want to talk.
Yeah.
We didn't finish with that much.
Okay.
She's a mom. She's like around 40 years old. She gets up in the morning, cooks for the kids, makes the breakfast, takes the kids to school. And in the afternoon, her main focus is what to cook. On Sundays, she usually wants to go on a picnic with her family. So she also buys HP sauce to put on the food that she's going to take with her. And I guess, I don't know. Is that enough?
That's brilliant. Okay. Yes. So your first customer, the students, I think it's interesting that you say he has HP sauce when he's out, so he consumes it when he's out, and then he thinks,
it's a spicy taste with hamburger. He likes spicy stuff and canned stuff. So.
And do you think he buys the product himself as well?
Yeah, he does.
Okay.
When he cooks at home.
If and
Or
when
his girlfriend cooks for him.